Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord if it's not opening on your PC. All right. For example, you have enabled automatic startup for Discord. So you boot up your computer and Discord will just show a gray screen. Okay. All you have to do to fix that is just go to the taskbar right here, right click on Discord and hit on quit. And then once done, go ahead and go to search bar and just locate Discord and run it back in. Okay. If that still won't work, go ahead and go to your taskbar right here, right click on a blank space. Now click on Task Manager. And here, just go ahead and find a Discord, click on it, right click and hit on End Task. Okay. Once that's done, don't run Discord yet. So go ahead and go to your search bar and type in %app data %. Okay. Again, %app data %. Open up the file folder and here locate Discord. Right click, hit on delete. Okay. Delete it. Once done, go to your search bar and type in ADDT. Click on Add or Remove Programs. Uninstall Discord right here. Just look for it and click on 3 dots, hit on Uninstall. Once done, go restart computer and re-download the Discord app. Okay, just go ahead over to your favorite browser. Type in download Discord, hit on enter and click on download the Discord app. All right, there you have it. Just wait for the process to finish. Once it's done downloading, just go ahead and click on it to open up the installer and follow the simple prompts. And after that, you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.